Okay, 2003 50th anniversary Z6, and here's the problem. Like so many others with heads-up display, after 10 years, we are in pieces. So today we're going to try to replace this without removing the dash. Good luck, here goes. Alright, step one, let's remove all the broken pieces. Always one stubborn piece. Okay, all the parts and pieces of the old one are out. Now let's try and snap in the new one. They say it can be done. So easy. And there it is. Little adjustments, and we've replaced the benzle without taking the dash out. Okay, got to clean up the work area a little bit, but other than that, I'm very happy. Got the edges all done. Looks pretty darn good.